Okay, so welcome back from the break. So because of our eating, how many of us got 3 meat? How many people got 3 meat? One and a half. Half. Oh, sorry. Congratulations. For those of you who did not get meat, we'll do it again next time. Next time I say even the food you use hand and eat. All right, so thank you very much for holding on to this hour. So let's proceed from here. But before we invite her to come back, I would just like to show something briefly here. So for those of us who, the returning students, we all know how we did this thing last time. We have a lot of homework, a lot of assignments. So today, we're just going to show us how to navigate through the assignment, because we also have modules for this year. So how do we look at them? Let us go. This is the outreach dashboard for the mentor. So once you register on the Meta, it will bring you here directly, automatically. It will bring you here. So what do I mean? If you come to Meta, let's so if you come to Meta, I will show gradually how I got this. Right? Okay. So from here now, there's a place. Once you're in this place, there's a place that will show register. Right? Register. So once you click on that place and register, it will take you to the outreach dashboard here automatically. So from here now, you can just look at here by clicking more details. So that those of us who are here who are not registered, you can see yourself. So on here now, we have Halima Waziri, we have Musa FM, we have Abu Kampita, we have Kings Emmy, we have Queen, we have Kani, okay, we have Umso Shima, we have Chatla, Gwazayet, Danjuma, Weha, Next Level, Iyo, Omesco, Mashut, MJ. We have Zainab, we have Mukhtar, Muhiba, Wazim. Who is Muhiba? The person here? Oh, okay. We have Zainab again. We have Ziron, Aisha Yahuza, Holiness, Rukaya, Achis. We have Son of Udin. So we have Zasan Fumen. You? Okay. When did you register today? Yesterday? Okay, but you registered for this event today. Okay. We have Christiana Bitrus. Okay, she just left. And then Dorcas. Is there anybody here that his name is not there? The son of Udin. That's Zeus. Zeus' grandson. Is there anybody here that is not registered? No, we're explaining. Is there anybody here that is not registered? There is. I'm very sure there is. My mind is telling me there is somebody here that is not registered. I'll figure it out. Don't worry. So once you register here, your name is here. By default, it will appear here automatically on the outreach dashboard. So what does this one do? It tracks all your contributions, all your work, everything that you've been doing, all your assignment. If you have been given assignment to do, if you complete it, we are going to see it here. If you do not do it, we will see it here. So everything will be tracked here. For example, if you go to timeline, this is timeline. So these are some of the work that we need to do. But I'll come back to this. So first, go to editors. Click on editors. So here now you see all those people are here. So if you look at my screen here, you see here the training modules, which is the assignment, the modules now. This person have done 0/11 because we are just starting today. So there's no us. We will not start flooding yet. Then we have all these people. Zero. I think it's only one person, and I wonder how she was able to do it. Okay, Dorcas, how are you able to do it? Okay, you have done it earlier. Okay, so you have done 2 remaining. So if you see go back those assignments, you see there are some that you are yet to complete, so you complete them. Now we have Fumen, Gwazaye, then Halima. Halima, I got you, Jeba. This is their cheating. Okay, we'll explain. So our facilitator have completed her own. I don't know how she did that. Yeah, I managed. Then we have Inyo. I've done 3/11. Then all of us, we are just about 30. We have another one again, Rukaya. Yes. No. No. There are objective ones. Once we do modules once. Welcome back. So we'll go back again. You have. Look at you, 0/11. You like to expose yourself. I just say that I don't want to say it. Okay, so now it is expected of us to go back and complete our modules. So how do you complete your modules? If you just come to this place, or from the interface here, okay, this setup is not complete. Okay, so from the interface here, right? Just scroll down. If you come to this place, you see learning resources reservoir. So you're in this first one, outreach. Look at it, outreach data dashboard training libraries.
Please come back.
Huh? No, from here. Okay.
We should go back to wiki.org. Sir.
Yeah. Okay. So this one, if we go through this model, do this way, we are going to see everything completely. But what he is saying now is that we are going to be having the models as they come with timeline. So like this one now we are treating Wikidata. So this timeline now is going to elapse on the 11th. So between now and 11th of April, we are expected to complete our modules ahead of our next session, which is coming on the 18th of April. Yes, and also we have created a WhatsApp group dedicated for this program, a special WhatsApp group dedicated for this mentoring program. So in that place, we'll be sending some update there. Like this one, I can just click it, this link, right? Yes. So I will drop it there. So if you are the group, once you click on the group, it will bring you here directly. So the link is there to this place. All of us have been added to that group, except maybe if you are not here. Okay, so moving on, let's look at the timeline. The timeline. So this is the timeline. So on this timeline now, this is what we are expected to do. So introduction to Wikidata, this is what Haja Halima is taking us currently. This is what we are doing. So within these periods now, we are going to take our time to look at the Wikidata community. All you need to do is to click start. So by the time you click start, it will open. So you read it at the end of every session, there's a question and answer. So by the time you answer that, it will show complete. Then you move to the next one. right? But if you don't show complete, it means something went wrong, so you have to go back again. So every Wikimedia all over the world decided to do that just once. If you do it once, anywhere you go, it will show, it will reflect. There's no two ways about it. It will reflect. Sorry?
Annually.
No, not annually. What we did last year is different from this one. Yes. We are taking them bit by bit. So that is why the returning students is not just returning, but it's a continuous program. Yes. So the return is very necessary. Yes, class 2. So others are in class 1. So that's how it is. So if you finish this one, you go to the next one like that until you wrap it up. So, and then look at this one again. This and this look the same. So if you finish this one, look at it. So this one supposed to be class. We are supposed to have done this one, all of it today. But because of time factor, we couldn't complete it. So it's expected of us to go back, go through it, and complete it. You understand? So if you open your own, you see everything here is fresh. There's nothing like continue, like the way my own is. It might not look like that. So you have to start everything afresh and complete it. And then this assignment here now, look at it. The due date is here, which is 11th. So all this one, it is expected of us to finish all within this period. All right. So while we are doing this, it is expected of us, as we are doing it, we are making practicals. But then some of us will have challenges on what to create, what item to create, and what item not to. So by the scope of our activities as a Tyap Wikimedians, right? We have a scope. We have a region we want to cover. And so you cannot go and start removing somebody's something in his eyes. When you, no, I don't want to say wood because it means I want to say and dig yourself. So why your own house is on fire. So look at where you are going to fetch. Refresh. Okay. Are we following? So where do we go to get our items? The list of things that we should create. Before here. Okay. Okay. So one. All right. So where do we go to get our list of items to create? If you just come down below here, everything that is as a Wikimedia, we're not supposed to be lazy when it comes to reading. Once you open this timeline, you're supposed to read everything from top to bottom, so that you get clarity and more understanding. So all this explanation we are doing is just we are just doing it. But you as an editor, it is your responsibility now to go and read everything word to word now. So this is where to get this list of items. You see, the list of items for creation. This is it. Once you click here, you are going to see a whole lot of names, lists. You see? So here now, these are villages, right? So just for you to pick which one to work on from here. But anyone you picked, before you begin to create, you have to search first to know whether it is existing or not. For example, you want to work on on this one. Let's say this Gashupa, this one, right? So just come back here. Come back here, down here. Search here. You see, please search if the item exists before creating it. So just click on this search. It will take you somewhere you don't know. Here. Now, then that words now, you put it here. You see here, then you click search. Now look at it. There were no result matching the query. You see, so it means this item has not been created. Yes. So it means this item has not been created. So all you need to do is to click on create new item. So once you click on this link, automatically it will bring you to where you know. Yeah. So to bring you here. Now you see automatically the label has been added. Now remember, the label is the name of the item you are creating. The label is set. The name of the item you are creating is called label. Right? So automatically, if you go through that process, automatically it will be added here. Then just fill the other information and then you proceed. When we look quiet, shows like say we know something, but we don't know. I go lie for you.
We are going to the speed of light.
I didn't tell you, I don't go lie for you.
We are going with the speed of light.
Oh, I'm fast. Yes. That's how we used to feel when people are in class. You know why I like gathering like this? You get to meet those people that stress in university. Then you stress them too. Okay. So it's just as easy as this. Ajia, I wish we have another program in ABU. Those professors. I don't want to go and shout at them.
Something like that.
Nothing sweet me like, let me go and be teaching those lecturers something. I'll be shouting at them.
We did wiki for kids, some lecturers from them. This Wikipedia, where did we even get it from? My thesis is on that.
So, on this point, I think from what I need to explain to you, or let's say there's anything you need to know. So, at the end of everything, we also, I think for now, okay, down, right? Okay. Okay. So this one again.
Sir,
okay.
You don't come a bit where you entered.
Okay. I should go back there.
Yes, you dropped the link. We've gone to open the link. Now, how did you bring us to this assignment page?
Okay. Let me not show you where the link is. Sorry, sir. Okay. Go back to the link. Eh? No. Okay, are we here now? So what she's asking is, how do I get to where I got to before I came back again?
Yes, this is the link. I should copy it.
No, just click it. You take it. Click. Okay, copy it then and go to your. So how do I get to where I got to before coming back to where I am now? Okay, so this is where we are. What I'm trying to explain is how to get items for creation, right? Here we have list of plenty list of items that we can create.
So it is
okay. Baka, come to this. Okay. Link to this place, this particular place. Okay, this is where you are. Is it here? Have you logged in? Which link did I
It's a person, they want to know how they will see the
items? Please, I'll show you now, so that we will not be going behind schedule. So the link of items, all you need to do for the dashboard here, just come to timeline, right? Click on timeline. After timeline, you'll see your assignment, your class, or all you need to do. Complete them, and then if you want to create items, so it's either you click on this one. Look at it. In today's session, we shall be focusing on introduction to Wikidata. You shall create an item practically in class today. Select an item from this list, from the list here. So once you click on this list, it will bring you here. It will bring you to this list. Who is not following? You are not? Yes, ma'am. Yeah. So refresh your WhatsApp. I send a link. Do your own. Check your WhatsApp. I just added it. So this is the link I was talking about.
If you click on key, that means that the support and safety. So you will read about support and safety and so you need to understand that. So if it wants that to do, it will mark the input at the end of the list. Then you come to the second one. You can start one day, you can ask one day.
Okay, please, let's look up here. I want us to create item. Whatever happens, no, you cannot be lost. I added you to a WhatsApp group. There is a WhatsApp group. There is a link on that WhatsApp group.
No.
Online,
You said that what the post was, but then the procedure is if she goes to WhatsApp, enter that link.
I have been guiding her.
What timeline? That's
No, now what she does, I support you now.
what timeline? That's yeah, summer.
She's not
How? How? This one. Is that WhatsApp here?
Yes.
Go to your WhatsApp. I added it to it. Yes, click it. And you got it here. Click it. No, what you are clicking is different. Yes.
I'm just thinking of all the things that are on my team.
Hello, please.
It's not that it came out.
Please, I think from now on I'm the only person talking. Let me be the only person talking. Everybody should listen. Everybody should listen. If you go to your WhatsApp, there is a link. All you need to do is to click on that link. It will carry you go where you don't know. I'm sorry, where you know. This is it. And if you are here now, make sure you are logged in. Make sure you are logged in. Check from your right hand if you are using a mobile phone. Top, you'll see some line. Click on that line. you see a drop down. You see login with Wikipedia. Am I moving fast? Login with Wikipedia. Click on that login with Wikipedia. Then hold on. After 3 seconds, something will pop up on your screen showing allow. Then click allow. You log in. So any assignment you do, if you are not logged in, it will not record. Are we following? Aisha will just be looking at it and be smiling.
Let me show you. Like on the same page with you. I'm on the same page with you. Just that the mobile.
Come, this iPhone she's using. iPhone and Wikipedia are like this.
Yeah. There are some things that there was a time that I used my Wikidata.
You are all logging.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. Okay.
You are logging.
Yes, sir.
Look at the first to give us life.
From there, we'll go to activities. Huh? I'm not this.
Click on this.
I'm not in the house. Go to activation.
Yeah? Awesome. Awesome. Come. These things I'm explaining here, right? Who are acting as if you know, but you don't know, and you still don't want to listen. And you still want. Give me that letter inside. Give me that letter. Let me show them something.
They are listening. The network. The
network
is slow.
You know, consign me. Bring that letter. Let me show them. So that you know that I'm serious about this.
Now we're serious.
I'm not even joking.
You are smiling now before you are.
I think that's right.
No, consign me. So,
Wow.
Very good.
you see these clothes?
Wow.
This is how I look.
It's like
You see? This is what I'm showing you. You don't do that. I will explain. You don't do that.
serious now.
Yes. You don't do that.
So I
Now you see when I show letter now, some people are saying sir, they want to understand something.
so now I picked it when you are busy to search.
It's a different one.
I picked one of the which I want to work on this one. So when I want to search.
Can you?
You have to go back.
Go back. Go back.
I picked it down.
Yeah.
Better I'm safe. Let me pick any of them.
Okay, let's pick it.
Please, but
The interface. The process is lost. I want to see from there. Go down. Go down. Okay. Come on. Yes. So what I'm trying to say is that, hello, from today, we are going to create two Wikidata items. Okay. From those lists. Calm down. Eh? Yes. No. Whatever Aja and Halima have taught us, we are going to put it into action. So where we got lost, we ask questions and then we'll get answers before we go. Then we'll finish all our homework and assignment. These clothes you see, they are different colors. We have man color, woman color. We have general color. We have different size. The size for Aja, who be another one? Even the one of doctor. No. All things have passed away. Aja, all things have passed away. So everybody size there, but it depends on what you do. So please, I'm not giving you today. Let me just tell you. You go back and finish this work. Let me see your workings first. Then we'll come back next class. I will look at it. We'll all look at it together. Anyone can complete his or her assignment. We'll get his own first. No, on the 18th. So we have Windows. Congratulations. So this month,
2 items only.
Today. Yes. Today. Then from tomorrow we'll continue to finish our modules. Then we'll go back again and continue creating the items. But today, we are creating two today. No concern. Congratulations. Remember, ma? Eh? If you like, leave. Between now and 6 o'clock, I will check the dashboard. If you know, great. I know. All right. So, do we understand this one now? Okay.
You don't do your own.
So don't understand this one now.
Okay. Now, remember we have work that we are supposed to have done yesterday, but because the online session, because the time has been changed, adjusted, so we're having it on Monday, right? So on that Monday now, after that, we also have another assignment. Now remember, this assignment is not like the one that like these lecturers are giving us. I'm close to one here, so I have to be talking down now. So it's not like the one they are giving. The one they are giving us is very hard. They just want to fail us deliberately. Why are you giving me homework? And then they fail. So this one, I just read the module. Just read it. At the end of it, respond to the questions, and we are done.
That's what we do.
Yeah, this one is supposed to be week 1 too, but because we are jumping into new week. So we are doing it instead of now. We'll be having this class on the 6th. We're going to have this class on the 6th. So we're going to discuss some of this in collaboration modes, made easy. So this one is also very important for all of us. It's also part of the mentorship program. So all of us will go over and do it. Then after that one, we are hopeful that on that day, we should be able to finish all of this one. Online. We are hopeful. But in case we do not finish, we'll come back and finish it. Then after this one, this is the assignment that will follow. The assignment will be due on the 17th, which is next week, Friday, 17th. That's no Thursday. It's Friday, right? Yeah, Friday. Okay. So this one now I expected to finish it on the 17th. So this one, I expected to finish on the 17th. So it means all of them like that. We are starting and finishing before the next class. So that is what we'll be doing. So after this one, we also have another one that will be coming up on the 17th. The online session will be holding on the 17th. And this online session now, the time on that day is going to be, is it 11 a.m.? Session.
All the dates, the times, they are all updated.
Okay. So, but however it is, we'll be updating the time. As I told us earlier, the online classes, the timing is not rigid. It can be changed. But whatsoever changes that happen will communicate to us on the group ahead of time. So we should always be on the lookout on the group. We should always be on the lookout. And remember, this course we are having now, at the end of this course, we have some gifts for the serious ones. I also have gifts for the serious ones. Right? So even for those who are not serious, we still have gifts for them. But okay. I also have certificate at the end of the course. So please. So these are some of the things that we need to know as far as this one is concerned. So any question? So I will go and start creating our item.
Okay, so while we're thinking about the questions, I will just add something to it. So if you go to this very home page of this outreach dashboard, you are going to see that there are two tables. The very first table here is having some dates and times right here. So if you want to add them to your calendar, all of them are clickable. So let's say for the next class on the 6th, which is online, once you click on this 6th Monday, it will open to this very zone stamp. All you need to do is to click on add calendar. And if you are using a Google phone, just click on Google. Or if you are using an Android phone rather, Android, not Apple, but you can still.
Android is always easier.
Yes. So if you are using an Apple phone, so you can still be able to add it to your Apple phone. It depends on whatever device. It doesn't discriminate on which one you use. But for me, I use Android. So all you need to do is to just relabel your calendar, and maybe you say Monday session or something, and then maybe you can put the date 4th of April 2026, and then you can just save it. Once you are logged into your Gmail, it will save directly to your calendar. The next time you open your calendar, you are going to see the events on that very, just like it is showing me right now. So by the time you go to 6th of April, you are going to see right there. So when it reaches 30 minutes to the time, it is going to give you notification on your phone. So that makes it easier.
Scottish.
Yeah. So
watch cartoon too much.
Okay, so you can just go ahead to do each and every one of them. The time adjustments and dates are all done inside this one. Even if we don't put it on the WhatsApp group, all these ones, the time, like this one, you can see 1 here, you see 2, you can see 3 here. So these are the notes. For this very number 1, we were supposed to have it on Friday. So we have a little note here. The person who is supposed to take it, he said he cannot be able to take it on Friday because it's Good Friday.
It's good to me.
He wants to do it on Monday. So I say fine. And then we also have some people who are far away. That we are in Europe, who are sharing the same time. But people who are in Asia and America, the time we're in the daytime, they're in the midnight. So if we invite somebody from Malaysia, for example, the guy that is taking this very third one here, Farouk. For Farouk, if we are going to take this one 7 p.m., their own time they will be 2 a.m. in Malaysia. So he cannot wake up 2 a.m. just because he wants to take us on a session. So we have to adjust our own time to 11 a.m. So he's going to take it around 6 p.m. their own time, but here we're going to be at 11 a.m. So we keep on adjusting the time for the online session, because unlike last year that we had most of the people around Europe and Asia, but this time we are going to have them as far as India and those areas that are far away from us. So that's just what I wanted to add.
Thank you. Mikey. Okay. Back to two items. You say now maybe the headmaster. Stubborn principal. Anything if you like, call me names. You must finish what I asked you. Okay, so Halima, please, I don't know. You have 10 minutes. Please come and show them again how to get these items and create it. So that sorry. Yes. Because like they recognize your voice better than mine.
Okay. So go down to the items.
Yeah, these are the list of items.
So I think who can pronounce this first name?
Yeah.
Huh? Huh? Angiana. Okay, so we are creating Angiana. Let's just create
Please
this
watch
first
what
one.
she's doing. Because
Let's
after this one now, this is the last one she will do.
You know, first you please, are we together? This is Wikipedia homepage. When you click on when you click on wikidata.org, it will bring you directly to this main page, right? So what you do first is what? Search for the item we copied, right? Control V. Can you see something here?
Yes.
No, this is the person that created it. Doc has created it. So you see, someone is even ahead of the class. So now let's go back to the list and look for another name. I think let's go to this one. Nahalati Sabo. Nahalati Sabo. So let's look for this one. You see, that's the essence of searching. To avoid duplication. You see this one. Let's search for it. You see, there were no results matching the query. You may create a new item. So we'll now search for the name on Google. Let's see. You see, this is information about the location, about the village. These are not secure. You can see they even tell us that this site is not secure, so we are leaving this site to go and look for it and in another site. This Nigerian code postcode. This is one of a reliable sites we can always use. You see the other one too, we got it from this site. So let's see now. You see, Nahalati Sabo is also in Abaji. So now let's go back to our Wikidata item. So what do we say we should give it? You see, it's even showing our drop down. Village in FCT, Abuja. So it's after when we click on create, that's when it gave it unique identifier. This is the Q identifier 13, a Q13.
No, she has explained that once
I
you say
explained.
create, it will automatically
Yes,
generate it.
yes. So I told you about this label. If you understand, if you know the but mostly labels are encouraged to remain how they are. You understand? Labels are always encouraged. Since this is the name of a place, you cannot change it to another language. Even if you are from America, you are from Ghana, or wheresoever you are from, this name of that place is that. Can you change Kaduna's name to, let's say I translated Kaduna? So that's why all these labels should remain with that same name. But you see this village in FCT Abuja, you can translate it to any other language. Likewise, if there is others here, yes. So now we can start by adding the statements. Am I fast? Am we moving together? Okay, sir. So the next thing to do now is to add statements. The first property is the instance. What are we creating on? Are we creating on human? On what? We are creating on village. And we say we can add a qualifier to, let's say, human supplements. Oh, settlements. Publish. It's the network. Thank you. Are we there? Yeah. So now we'll add what? Add value. That's when we'll add the human certificate. Where is my key? Sorry. So then publish. You see, we have two words here. We have two words. We have two words. Statement. Then we'll add another statement. Now, this place is in which country? Nigeria. Then we'll publish. Let me just finish this so that we cannot be going together, because you two have to search and
again, in case you are following her, do not do the exact edit.
Sometimes it's the same village, just a different. You know what? We cannot even exhaust that list that was given to us, because there are more than thousands of names there. So just choose the one you. Yes, you can even go to another paragraph. You understand? Yes. So now, located in the administrative territory of who can remember what we put on the other item? Abaji. Ajayi, you are this now. Let them be. Abaji. Hey, so let's see which statement again. And the next statement is the coordinate location. And we say we are advised to use. Who can remember what we are advised to use? There was a name that was given to us. Something that started with M. Yeah? Description: a village in FCT, Abuja. Village in FCT, Abuja. Who can remember what we start to look for the coordinates location? There is one something that he told us that we search through, that we find all the names. Mainland of Mendat, okay. That's okay. So instead of checking here, we'll just go to that. Though I observed that all these new ones are not on that Mindat, but let's check and see. What's the name of our location? Nahalati Sabo, right? Yes. So it's not there. It's showing us in Japan, Russia, and it's not here. So we'll just use that of Abaji. Since all these are small villages in Abaji, so it's preferable we use that of Abaji, yes.
So if there is a location apart from Abaji, you can use it, right?
Yes, but if it's available, you can use it. You see, this is that of Abaji. You see, this is the coordinate location of Abaji. And we will use it as our coordinates here. Then next, we'll add our postal code. Postal code. You just search on Google, but for that villages are not available, so we search from we just Google it for Abaji, since all these rural areas are in Abaji. Sir?
Give me a torch. Give me a torch.
So please see, we are going to add references for this coordinate location. Please, are we together? Oh, you are all doing your own. The class is.
Just finish your own. If you are listening, fine. If you are not, just continue. Don't be talking to yourself. If you say, are we listening, I will say yes. Continue.
Okay. So now we are going to add the reference to the postal code.
Okay. I'm following.
I think they know what they don't know.
So you go to add reference, search for reference URL, and paste your reference. You publish. So we are going to add another statement of continents. Property of continents.
Now, when I did a statement and you can't find the statement on the drop down list, you search. You search.
So we have added Africa. So now let's see how many statements do we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. So we are going to add common category that we add on the other one, which is Abuja. This is commons category. Commons category. We'll add Abuja.
Now, this common
And we
category,
publish.
sometimes if you are creating item about a place, some of them might not be there. So if you know how to create the category, you go ahead and create it. But if you don't, you leave it. Yes, average. Yes.
No, sir. Let me show you on the list. From the list,
Average.
look at the list. This first one, see their postcode. The second one,
That's what I'm saying. Under average.
no, this Yabaju is under Abaji. Abaji is a district and it's also a local government. Yes, but for these ones, all their postal code is here. You understand? Even for this Yaba is under Abaji, but you see it has a different postal code. Did you understand what I
Yes.
said?
So they will make it easier.
Yes. See the postal codes here. And even see the constitutions, human rights.
Average there.
Sam?
I'm not saying she explained it from the beginning.
What, Sam?
It's mentioning the statement, mentioning the item that we're able to the statement that we're able to. So that time, common category, right? Since we do should Abaji, try searching the common category under Abaji because Abaji is linked to Abuja.
Okay, so let's
So that
see.
it narrows.
Okay, let's see. Common category. So search for.
Yes, search for Abaji because Abaji is linked to Abuja. Awesome. So great. Awesome.
Okay, so what?
So the common category now under these ones is Abaji, right? Because Abaji is automatically linked to Abuja.
Let's check if there is the image of this on Wiki Commons.
The people in that region are not serious people.
There is no image of it.
So we have a whole lot of knowledge there. We have that. So we have
So,
courses in that side.
any question?
Yes.
Okay, sir. You know I can, because of this light, I'm not, you can just talk. I'm with you.
Good. From this instance,
Yes, sir.
next one is what?
Instance.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the
next
what
statement that one is add this
village.
village.
But even
Next is what?
human settlements. That's under the qualifier. You see a plus sign. If you are using a phone, you see a plus sign. Outside, close to this bracket. Somewhere here, you just look at my cursor. Here, when you are using a mobile phone, you see a plus sign there. That's where you add plus. You click on that plus, it will take you direct to where you see add qualifier or add value. Then you write human settlements.
Next.
The next is country.
So this field will be the one that will be writing them.
Yes.
Next is what?
Continents. Yes.
From continent to country to that is local government.
Yes, country Nigeria. Then located in the administrative territory entity, Abaji.
Yeah, I was thinking that the thing will just come out automatically.
Like you have to add. You see, add statement. You have to click on it before it's. Where it's your. So sorry. You have to click on add statements. That's it. Okay, next is coordinate location. That's where you go and search for the coordinate location of the place you are creating for. You understand, sir? Then the next one is postal code. Postal code is available on the list of items to create. Then the next one is commons category, which is average.